A cool documentary-style animated counter effect in After Effects. First, create a new composition and name it Animated Counter. Set the preset to HD 1920 by 1080 and the frame rate to 25 frames per second. I'm taking the duration of about 1 minute. Set the background color to black. Once you're done, click OK. Now double-click on the project panel and import your footage. Drag and drop your footage onto the timeline. Press T on your keyboard and reduce the opacity of the layer to 35%. Select the text tool and type any text. Press Ctrl+A to select the text. I'm using the Cash Currency font, which you can download for free from Google. Align the text to the center of the composition. Next, select the text layer and go to Effects and Presets. Search for Slider Control and double-click to apply it. Open the text layer properties and expand the text section. While holding Alt, click on the source text stopwatch to open the expression editor. Press Ctrl+V to paste the expression. The expression link will be provided in the description below. Press Enter to execute it. Now let's preview the result. You should see the animated $sign effect. Press U to close the text properties. Then expand the effect properties and expand the slider control section. Move the playhead to the start of the timeline and click the stopwatch to create a keyframe. Move the playhead forward by 10 frames and change the slider value to your desired amount, for example, 2400. Select both keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Align the text layer again to the center of the composition. This creates a smooth animated counter effect. Press U to close the properties. Right-click on the text layer and choose Pre-Compose. Click OK. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for Glitchy Text Decoder. Apply this effect to the text layer. This adds a cool glow and currency type effect. Click once on the timeline. Now draw a shape over the text as desired. Choose your preferred color. I'm using the default as green. Set the Track Matte option to Alpha Matte. Link to the numbers layer. Press P to reveal the position property. With the playhead at the start, create a keyframe and move the shape out of the composition. Move the playhead forward 10 frames and reset the shape position to default. Select both keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. This gives you a smooth intro animation for the counter. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.